Avocados are in season, however, avocado oil is still expensive. So hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make avocado oil at home. Now, I got a lot of avocados. If you hear me say pear, that is how we call it in Cameroon. Luckily, this was all for free. So I decided to tie them in a wrapping or a plastic so they get ripe fast, so I can use them to make oil. However, I will be dropping some tips and I hope you stay to listen to the tips. Now, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Like if you enjoyed this video. If you buy avocados and they are not ripe, you can tie it in a plastic and leave in a warm area so they get ripe fast. Now this is what we have, and I have washed my avocados, all of them, and I'll be using them. Some of them are really soft, but that is not a problem as long as they are not bad. So I grabbed a tray, and this will be the tray in which we'll be spreading the avocados, and I'm going to cut open, take out the flesh and transfer to the pan. Now I would love to say that avocados are a good source of healthy fats. Now we'll be talking about some of the health benefits of avocados in general. Firstly, avocados contain a healthy balance of nutrients, and that includes carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, minerals, fats and oil, and all of that. The fat in avocado is healthy fat. Secondly, it aids in weight management. Now, if you are on a weight loss journey, then I'm definitely sure that you tend to find people include avocados. This is because it is actually filling, and if you're on a weight gain or weight management journey, you realize that most times avocados are included in most of the meals, be it breakfast, lunch or dinner. There's always a balance that is being found with avocado on a weight management journey. Now, thirdly, avocados are keto friendly. Personally, while I was on a keto diet some time ago, I was encouraged to eat avocados with almost everything. And that was good because it kept me full for long. And that brings us to the fourth. Avocado contains a lot of fiber. It will keep you full. It will equally help your digestive system operate. So we are learning how to make avocado oil in two ways. This is the first method, where you're going to mash some avocados, add them to a pot, and then cook until you perhaps can extract oil, and then you will add some oil to this pot, be it coconut oil and all of that. Personally, I do not think this method is the best because you will rarely get any sufficient quantity or amount of oil. You might end up adding oil like I did. I had to cook and cook and cook, and when I did not see any progress because it was just oily but not enough to actually extract, I decided to add some oil to it. Now you can use coconut oil, you can use whichever oil you have available to just get yourself some avocado oil. You can see how clean or clear this oil is, and I must say that this is an impressive method. You can just bottle this up, you can use it for a lot of things, and I'll definitely show you guys in my subsequent videos. And this is just how nice avocado oil is. Now for the second method of making this oil, I'm going to spread the avocado in a tray and keep in a dry warm space. Now from time to time I'll stir it because this is how it is going to be looking. It is going to be changing its color, and I wanted to show you guys from start to finish how it turned out, but then the color was really not it was not something that I equally liked because it became so black. This was so much for this tray, so I had to spread it in subsequent trays so that it dries up faster under the sun. So you have to make sure you turn your avocado properly. You need to mix it at different intervals so it does not smell. Once it remains like that, it will smell. Most times it will even mold. So I dried this under the sun in total for about 6 days because the sun was not coming out. Now this method is actually better because you are going to have oil. you are going to see your hard work, although this actually takes more time than the previous method. But this is 100% natural avocado oil, which is a win. Like I earlier on said, avocados in Cameroon, they are called pear. So if you hear me use pear, avocados interchangeably, no, I'm referring to one thing. So there are two kinds of avocados in Cameroon. We have butter pear and we have water pear. Butter pear is somewhat thick. These avocados which are so thick, and water pear is somewhat light. If you eat it, it's some sort of watery kind of pear. And I would definitely advise you take butter pear when it comes to making avocado oil, because it has a lot to do for you. Now this is what we have left, and I'll be using it to make my bathing scrub. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.